fill up the fridge segment,
Ooh,
boys.
fill up the fridge, state of origin
So for
edition.
those of you who are new here, fill up the fridge. We pick a big fridge front rower to score. And if he scores, you get money. And with money, what do you do, Mick?
You fill up your fridge with
whatever
whatever
you want.
But yeah,
Buy
so
anything.
fill up the fridge, right? Only props. You can't do second rowers. You can't do a big thicky lock.
No.
It's front rowers only. So last series, there was only one fridge that scored.
It was big Jacob Saifidi.
Jacob Saifidi.
So I'm going to kick things off with probably the fridge of all fridges here. Junior Barlow.
He's a big man.
junior.
If you look up fridge in a dictionary, it's actually a photo of Barlow.
Yeah, exactly.
So
in the sky
Mick,
blue.
you had to pick
I had
him.
to pick him.